kanti ubona njani game?
No, like, let's understand that sometimes we go to coach. We don't need the rotational squad. I've been saying it since my video ni say like stadium. We don't need the rotational squad which is winning league. We just put ama effort player abantu abazoswela ukuthi is winning league. So sisele ngo-Orbit College, we don't know ukuthi sodraw le or so loser. But coach wa mina ngimbona ay aqale ngoTito. Tito is not a bad player ne, but we needed speed. More than anything, we needed speed. About and today we thought it's our last game because le game we wouldn't take these 3 points and then Skopoge spend 68 ama goal. Simple. So manje Orbit College is patheleni asazi. It was a final game. I know it was a final game, but the Pirates every game is as a final. Mara today I don't know. Abasho wapanga. Really. Orbit College riyambombela man. Emna riyambombela man. Emunne. Riyambombela ke ntse chalta tsona tsa qina. Riyambombela. Emna riyambombela. Ke yona e re need re na le 2 points. Behind Sundowns na le 2 points. So rona re batlang
3.
Thank you. So go win the league re batla how many points?
3 points.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jack.